Hey guys, this is Jodie Trisha, and I'm here to talk about an unboxing and basically a review of this new eco-friendly deodorant that I got into, and it is Myro. So before I get started with the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so that you can get upcoming videos from me. So let's get into the video. Basically, I talked about going eco-friendly, and I've been looking for a natural deodorant for a very, very long time. And I have found that deodorant, and the deodorant is native. Okay, the deodorant that I found that I loved was native. Now, I found I tested and tried a lot of different deodorants, and it was a journey to get to this. Hi. It was a journey to get to this. Native is really good. I definitely would recommend it, but they're $11.99, and the case is not recyclable, so you can't recycle it. You can't recycle it, and it's gonna go to waste or whatnot. But I found this brand, Love Beauty and Planet. I love this deodorant. It's for $6.99, and it is recyclable packaging. But I stumbled upon Myro. I heard so many great things about Myro, and what I really like the most, matter of fact, let's find out. Let me show you guys. So they came in this cute little box. I need to find something to open this up. So it comes like this in a box. So cute, right? And it got a cute little pin here. Okay, so this is what I really liked about Myro. This case here, this pod. It's the case for your deodorant, and it's reusable. You can wash it, and you don't have to toss it. And if you need to, if you ever needed to, it is also a recyclable case. So I love this part. I just thought it was so cute and unique, so I really like it. And this, I think I spent $15. I think I spent $15 because it was $5 for the case and $10 for the deodorant. And these pods come in different colors. I really like this little nude color, but they have a pink color, teal color, black, well, charcoal, that's what they call it, and some other nice, cute little colors. And I think they have 6 different scents you can choose from, and I chose Big Dipper. Let me see what they smell like, guys. Let me see what they smell like. And I got the subscription with them because you can do subscriptions with them, where my next subscription comes with 3 different scents. And it looks so beautiful. Plant powered deodorant, and this is recyclable. Look at it, it's so cute. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. It smells so good. Okay. So basically they said to put it in the case, and then until you hear it click. So bear with me as I am having some technical difficulties on having the pod to click in pod, the deodorant to click in the pod. So yeah, we'll get into the video shortly. They clicked. Okay. So now, gonna come up. Then you make it come down. This smells good. Let me see what it feels like. Oh, it feels so good. So I'm going to show you guys what it feels like. I'm gonna try to see what it feels like for about a good week with this deodorant, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So I've been using Myro for about a little bit over a month, and I like it, and I spent 15 bucks the first time to get the Myro. If you want to get Myro, hit the link in the description box and you can get your first order for $5. And but what I really like about it is just the fact that the application is smooth. I feel good when I put it on when I first come out the shower. But one thing that's like I'm not too crazy about is the fact that when I do this, I don't know if I'm weird, but when I do this, I like to feel the deodorant under my armpit, like rubbing against each other. It don't do that for me, but my body's still getting used to it. The reviews has said that it takes about a month for your body to get used to the new deodorant, especially since especially if you're coming from using aluminum based deodorant. I haven't used an aluminum based deodorant for a long time, but since it's a new brand, my body has to get used to it. But one thing that I must say is that I don't stink or nothing like that. So that's a plus. I don't stink. Even after I go to the gym and everything, I still don't stink. I still don't smell musty or anything. So that's a good thing. I'm really enjoying the deodorant. And another thing that is too that you can do a subscription. So within your first month, you get 3 new deodorant, which is what I got here. And I got Big Dipper, Pillow Talk, and Chill Wave. And that was about $32. And then after that, the next 3 months, if you need it, you can change the date and everything for when you need your deodorant to come and stuff like that. And then you won't get charged or whatever until the date is gonna, they're gonna mail it to you and stuff like that. So basically I have 3 deodorants. I had ordered mine. My first one was ordered on August 7th on my birthday. And then the next month will be November 7th. I don't think I would need another order by the 7th of November, so I'm gonna push the date back. But I think that Myro is a really great investment into getting, and it's eco-friendly and everything is recyclable. So I would definitely recommend using this deodorant. And I think it's a nice buck for your money or whatever or whatnot, because I used to go through deodorant a lot. I don't know, I feel like they don't put enough in those deodorants, and my deodorant is still, hold on, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so my deodorant is still going. As you can see, if you can see, hold on. You see this space right here? This is how much deodorant I have left or whatnot. And I think, can you see properly? This is how much deodorant I have left right here. This is how much I've used. This is how much I have left, because every time I apply it, it's not too much. And like I said, I've been using this for a month. So I think this will give me another month. So yeah. So with that being said, I have already 3 refillables. I don't think I would need to do another shipment by November 7th. Like, I will probably need to push that back till maybe December or January. If you guys want to be updated or if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me and I will gladly answer any questions that you have in the comments. And also follow me on IG at Jodie Trisha and talk to me there and holla at me, you know what I'm saying? So I'm always on IG, so DM me, comment on my pictures, whatever you want to know, just let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love y'all. Talk to you soon. What's the name of the Native.